Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's a Pnip Show. Today we will be showing you how to take apart your Xbox 360 controller. So this is quite simple. All you need to do is go out and buy a Torque T8 screwdriver. They are star shaped and they have a hole in the middle, and the size is Torque T8. So you want to go buy a Torque T8 screwdriver. So first what you're going to want to do is turn it to the back, and you're going to find a screw here, 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 and here. And behind the battery compartment there's another screw here, which I can't find because I lost it, but you want to take care of all of these screws on the back. So let's get this done right now really quick. Alright, we should be just about done with this. So now you're just going to want to kind of shake it out and check to see if there are any more screws to get out. Just kind of shake it. This one does not want to come out. Alright, that's kind of weird. So what you want to do is get your two index fingers and do this to the triggers. Just hold them down, and then on these things right here, what you want to do to carefully open it up is get your middle fingers and get them into those, and just pull up like this. You can see, and if you've done it correctly, everything should be in place. You never want to open it up in the front, but in the back, because everything will be basically stuck on the front. So you want to take off the back, and then you'll see your vibrators, your triggers, the battery thingies here, and basically everything. If you want to mod your controller, clean your controller, or do anything maybe in the front of the controller, all you would have to do is just take this motherboard thing up, and then you can clean out anything, any hair, maybe some other kind of goo you want to clean up. It is very simple, and once you want to put it back together, you just get these in line with these. So you would do it like this, and they just fit into those, and then you get your triggers and then you just push them through. So once you are done, you can get your screws and then just put them back in the controller and screw them back up, put on your battery compartment, and you are good to go.